What is going on, my fast friends? Welcome to the Moto-R channel. We are in the Moto-R garage with the 2021 Aprilia RS660. Oftentimes I like to think about specific upgrades for my motorcycles that can not only enhance its performance, but one of the most important thing about upgrading a motorcycle, or one of the most important upgrades of a motorcycle, is going to be crash protection. Today on this video we are going to throw on a set of engine case protectors for the 2021 Aprilia RS660. Roll intro. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about some other types of crash protectors that is possible on a motorcycle. You have the spools that you can place on the back of the motorcycle by the axle. You have axle sliders, you have front axle sliders, rear axle sliders. You're also going to have the infamous frame sliders that everybody gets. That I have on this motorcycle as well. With every crash protection upgrade, it helps a specific part of the motorcycle. For example, the front axle sliders may protect the axle, the bar ends may protect the bars, the frame sliders may protect the fairings, but one of the most important parts of a motorcycle that you do not want to continuously replace every time you get into an accident, hopefully not a lot of accidents, is going to be the engine casing. On the Z900, you have bar ends that may protect the bars. You have frame sliders. I don't have front axle sliders. I don't have rear axle sliders on the Z900. I do have case protectors. So right here is a T-Rex case protector that helps in case I do get into an accident. I don't have to replace this really expensive part right there. Now we're gonna go to the Aprilia RS660. As you can see, I have the EvoTech bar ends. I have the EvoTech frame sliders. I have front axle sliders right here that will protect this if I go down, but I do not have the rear sliders on this bike because first of all, I use the rear axle to plug up the pit bull restraint system on my trailer, but that doesn't mean that you can't put it on there. It just means for me, I just don't want to keep putting it on and taking it off every single time that I'm going to the track or I'm transporting the motorcycle. So for the engine case sliders, I went ahead and elected to purchase again the T-Rex engine case sliders. We're gonna go ahead and open it and check it out. The reason why I chose this is I have experience with it with the Z900, not crashing it, but it's durable, it doesn't change color. My case sliders or engine case covers for my Z900 is still looking brand new the way it was, or the way it looks when I took it out of the actual box. It's pretty high quality, so I went ahead and elected to get T-Rex for the Aprilia RS660 over Woodcraft, over some of the other brands that there is. Doesn't mean that those brands are not good. It actually means that this is just cheaper. All the other brands are really expensive. You can get this at T-Rex, which is actually Dallas local. So another good thing is that I do like to buy local. And this is a Dallas local company. I've actually been to their shop. It's pretty impressive. And one of my buddies was his RS660 was actually used to basically mold these case sliders. They also sell the frame sliders as well, but I'm not much of a fan of how the T-Rex frame slider style looks like. Doesn't mean it's not good again. Some people may like it, some people may actually like the style, but I'm just not a I'm just not a fan of it. I do like their case sliders though. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It looks like we're gonna have two, one for the left and one for the right. And that's gonna be it in the package. That's the other one. Comes with a bunch of, I don't know if it's extra bolts or maybe it's just the bolts for those case sliders. Could be extra, we'll see. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these open and we are gonna throw it on the motorcycle. If you guys have this T-Rex sliders, I recommend it. Please throw it down in the comments below. If you have bad experience with this, also throw it down in the comments below because I would like to know. I can't really form an opinion yet. My opinion is based on the fact that I have it on my Z900. All right guys, so what we're gonna do is we are going to take some of these bolts off, and it looks like it's gonna be a 8mm. It has 4, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and that is going to be kind of sit just like that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. Alright, now that we have them off, we're gonna put these little spacers in, and they should fit just like that. So with the spacers, we'll bring these screws in on both sides, and then we'll go ahead and lock these two ends first. Probably gonna need a 5mm key, so you need to get a key set. And what I want to do before I actually put it in there is I want to put some Loctite into these screws. And it tells you to use medium Loctite, so that's what I'm about to use right here. Just spread it on there. And try to fit it in. And try to put it in there evenly. All right, guys, so I think that's it. We'll look at the left side real quick. Looks pretty sharp. Looks pretty set up. And then we'll move around. Look at the right side. Right side looks good. That thing is not going anywhere, especially with the Loctite. Yep. Looks good. The only thing I really don't like is that it kind of gets in the way of your oil, checking your oil levels and stuff like that. But I mean, it's just something I gotta work around with. So you got your oil dipstick right here. So it just kind of blocks it off a little bit, but you can still get to it. I want to say thank you guys for spending a little bit of time installing the new engine case sliders onto the Aprilia RS660. You could have been doing anything in this entire world, and you chose to spend a little bit of that time with your boy. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.